Construction at Paramount Twin Towers continues to advance with focus and precision, steadily transforming vision into reality. At Tower A, structural works are currently progressing on the 13th floor, with beam and slab casting actively underway, including the swimming pool deck. Vertical connectivity between the 12th and 13th floors has now been successfully completed. At Tower B, construction of the 13th floor has been finalized, and vertical elements are now rising upward as works progress toward the roof level. Internally, both towers are developing seamlessly. Block work has reached the 9th floor. Plastering activities are ongoing and mechanical and electrical installations have commenced as scheduled. This level serves as the pent floor, designed with raised levels to enhance durability and protect against water penetration. With swimming pools, landscaped planters, and safety parapet walls taking shape, every milestone reflects our unwavering commitment to quality, precision, and trust. Paramount Twin Towers, your address by the ocean.